Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making the Sour Sunrise cocktail. We are going to start off with half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of fresh squeezed OJ. Obviously, he did not strain it.
Nope. Too much work.
Too much work. And then we need an ounce, 1.25, ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then 1.5 ounces of your favorite brand of bourbon. I know, I'm sure that one threw you for a loop.
Interesting.
That she be. All right, we're gonna add ice, a single rogue ice cube. Oh, I was like, what are you doing? All right, we're gonna add ice to our shaker tin, and we are going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hand. And then we are going to double strain. Stop touching my stuff.
Well, you gave it.
Stop touching my stuff. All right, we're going to double strain right into our martini glass. Oh, look. We didn't strain the orange juice.
Well, look how well it did, though. See?
Yeah, because I'm a professional.
It's not like the watermelon.
Huh.
Actually, the watermelon might be straight.
Anyway.
You're welcome.
So then we're going to take half an ounce of grenadine, and then we're going to actually just pour it around the outside of the glass. So it's going to just fall down.
Like on the cutting board?
I'm going to smack the crap out of you. It's going to fall down and create that sunrise effect. For once, it did what I wanted it to.
It was a sink.
It was a sink, not a float. Floats are not my jam. All right. So then for our garnish, I've got a lemon peel. Twist. Wow.
Bro.
Having a stroke over here. Lemon twist. Give it all nice and twisty. And then for God's sakes, right on the rim. All right. And there we have our sour sunrise. I'm going to mess it up yet. So I'm going to taste. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I'm going to take this out really quick. And then I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to just stir it up. Just to get that grenadine incorporated here. And I'm going to rate the cocktail as well. So 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and move on to the next. 5 is I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So let's see where we fall on the scale today. Ooh, you smell the bourbon right out of the gate, and then the lemon kind of follows up on the back end of the smell. Okay. It kind of reminds me of your classic whiskey sour, but on the sweeter side, minus the egg white, so you don't have that like mouthfeel that you get from the egg white. But it's definitely a little bit sweeter, but you do get the bourbon, you get the lemon. I'm kind of like, I do taste the orange, but it's not like overly powerful. Okay, no, I guess I do taste the orange. Honestly, it's kind of, I know this doesn't sound kind of crazy. It's actually like incorporating with the bourbon. So I like tasted the bourbon first and I really didn't taste the orange. On the second sip, I tasted the orange. I do really enjoy this cocktail. I do love me a whiskey sour. With this one being just a little bit on the sweeter side, I could definitely drink this cocktail. I'm going to give this one a 4.5. out of 5. 4.5. It is a delicious cocktail. I think you can get in some serious trouble with this one. The ingredients are going to be listed down below, so that way you can build a cocktail right at home, and you can even make that beautiful sunrise if you follow my instructions. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys all at the next pour. Cheers.